welcome back. In this session, we are going to discuss IS 700 revised, forming an opinion and reporting on financial statement. This standard is extremely important because it explains how auditor form their opinion and how that opinion is present in the audit report. Let's move forward and talk about the main agenda of this video. In this video, we are talking about the importance of ISA 700 and its objectives, scope, key requirement, common mistakes, exam focus point, and final a short summary. Let's move forward to our video. Now we have to understand what is the importance of IS 700. IS 7 is one of the most important audit standard because it explains how auditor consolidate while the financial statement are fairly present. The standardize the structure and the words of audited report globally. This means an audit report prepared in a one country can be understood in the same way any other in the world. ISA 700 help the user clearly understand three main points basically. What financial statements were audited, what opinion the auditor gave, and what basis the opinion was formed. Because of this clarity, ISA 700 strengthened the credibility of the audit report and increased the user confidence in the financial statement. It also formed the foundation for other reporting standards like ISA 701 Key Audit Matters, ISA 705 Modification Opinion, and ISA 706 Emphasis of Matter. Let's move forward to our next topic, which is objectives. What are the main objectives of ISA 701? Objectives of auditor under the ISA 700 are clear. First, auditor must form an opinion on a financial statement basis on audit evidence and obtain. Secondly, the auditor must evaluate whether the financial statements are prepared in all matter respect in accordance with the applied financial reporting framework. And the third, the auditor must express the opinion clearly through a writer audit report. So remember, ISA 700 is not just about giving an opinion, it is about how the opinion is written and communicated. Now let's move forward towards our scope. What is the scope of ISA 700? ISA 700 applies to the auditor of a computer such as general purpose financial statement. It covered two main areas: the process of formatting an audit opinion, the form and content of the audit report. This standard apply even when a special purpose framework are used under the ISA 500 or a single financial statement is the audit under ISA 805. ISA 700 also work together with other ISAs that affect the audit report. So it passed of the large reporting framework. Let's move forward to our introduction. And require the auditor to obtain reasonable assurance that the financial statements are free from material misstatement. These misstatements may arise due to the fraud or error. The standard introduce a clear and logical structure for the auditor report. The structure includes sections such as opinion, based for opinion, responsibility of management, audit responsibility. ISS 700. So remember, ISS 700 are emphasize the use of professional judgment and professional capitalism through the audit process. What are the basic requirements of ISS 700? Under the ISS 700, before forming an opinion, the auditor must consider whether the sufficient and appropriate evidence has been obtained. Other, any incorrect or misstatement are material or not. While formatting the opinion, the auditor evaluate different things like appropriating of accounting policies, the reasonable of accounting estimate, the relevance and the audacity of or disclosure, and overall presenting of financial statement basis on the evaluation, the audit experience, either an unmodified opinion or a modified opinion which cover under the ISA 705. And the other key requirement which are really important, are mandatory sections, which is, we can say that, opinions, base for opinion, going concern section if applied, audit matters, responsibility section, signature date, audit address. ISO 700 is very strict about structured writing wording in the report, so the auditor must follow it clearly. The commonly mistake that made, these are several common mistakes while understanding ISO 700 we made. Using incorrect words for typing of reporting framework, confusing the fair presentation with the complex framework, incorrect presentation of the base for opinion section, inadequate decisions of management or audit responsibility, dating the auditor report before completing the audit evidence, failing to use required sections such as key audit matters. Now let's move forward to the exam point of view. For the exam point of view, you need to remember few points. Keep it very simple. I give it in the bullet point. The meaning of reasonable assurance, the difference between unmodified and modified opinion, what ISO 705 is applied, the mandatory order of section is audit report, like wording and format of the audit report, and the difference between management responsibility and audit responsibility, and lastly the relationship of IS 700, 701, 705, and 706. These points are frequently tested in professional exam. Let's move forward towards our summary. To summarize IS 700, I guide our auditor on formatting and reporting an audit opinion. We will guide it, ensure the audit report is clear, consistent, and understandable. This standard enhance the transparency and reliability on financial reporting. I hope you understand this video, and after completing this video, you will able to understand what is ISA 700 is all about. That's all. Thank you.